to the news. Before I remembered, I've got nothing to lose. The habit of us is a hard one to break, like a phantom limb or a dull, steady ache. I looked at your contact, the picture's still there. A sun-drenched afternoon, wind in your hair. But your name is a border I can't cross tonight, a shadow that's blocking out all of the light. And now it's just static on the line, a heart that's out of service, a love past its prime. I'm talking to dial tones and cold, empty air, searching for someone who's no longer there. Just a disconnect signal, a sharp, steady whine, and nothing but static on the line. The silence is louder than any big fight. It follows me into the middle of the night. I'm deleting the messages one by one, undoing the threads of the web we had spun. Good morning, I love you, I'm on my way home. Now I'm just a ghost in a digital zone. The screen is a mirror of all that I've lost, a high definition, unbearable cost. And now it's just static on the line, a heart that's out of service, a love past its prime. I'm talking to dial tones and cold, empty air, searching for someone who's no longer there. Just a disconnect signal, a sharp, steady whine, and nothing but static on the line. And maybe the frequency was never quite right. Maybe we were destined to fade out of sight. But I'm still holding on to the hand set so tight, hoping for one bar of signal tonight. But it's just state, yeah, it's only state.